Your product photos are either making you money or costing you money. There is no middle ground. And the painful part is that most sellers already know their images aren't good enough. They just don't see a realistic path to fixing it at scale. Think about what a proper content operation actually requires. Every SKU needs a clean product shot, a lifestyle image, a marketplace compliant version, and increasingly a short video for ads. If you have 50 products, that's already a full production schedule. If you have 500, it's a full-time team. Most brands can't staff that, so they either burn money on shoots every few months, or they live with mediocre photos and absorb the conversion hit quietly. The answer isn't hiring better photographers or finding a cheaper studio. It's treating product imagery the same way you'd treat any other operational process, automating it at the infrastructure level. And that's exactly what Claid AI is built to do. Claid is an API-first platform that handles the entire product image pipeline automatically. Background removal, lifestyle background generation, 4K upscaling, lighting correction, even image to video. All of it runs via API, plugging directly into whatever workflow you already have, and processing your entire catalog without anyone touching files one by one. It's the layer that serious e-commerce operations on Amazon and Shopify are quietly building their content workflows on top of. Let me show you exactly what that looks like in practice. To get started, click on Start Creating Free, and this is where you upload your raw product image. I'm going to use something every seller actually has. A product photo shot on a phone, no styling, no preparation, plain background. This is the starting point for most catalog images, and honestly, it is what the majority of e-commerce sellers are working with every single day. Step 1 is background removal, and this is the foundation of any serious product photo workflow. From the left panel, select Remove Background. You will see different processing options come up, but I'm going to leave them on default for now and hit Apply. Watch what happens. Claid strips the background out cleanly, preserving every edge, every texture detail, every line of text on the label. Notice how it handles the fine detail around the dropper and the bottle edges. That level of precision is what separates this from a basic cutout tool. Now, step 2 is where it gets genuinely interesting for businesses. Instead of booking a studio to get a lifestyle shot, I can generate one directly around this product. Select the AI photoshoot feature from the panel and confirm your aspect ratio. For the generation mode, I will choose General. Claid will auto-generate a scene prompt for you, but you can also write your own prompt to customize the setting entirely. I will hit Apply and let it process. Look at that result. Clean background, realistic shadows, natural lighting, a product reflection that looks like it came off a professional shoot with expensive studio equipment. No photographer, no location, no post-production team. And because this runs via API, a brand can generate 10 variations of that same product in the same pipeline automatically. Your Amazon listing gets one version, your Instagram gets another, your EU storefront gets a localized scene. All of it processed without anyone touching a single file manually. Step 3 is upscaling. Claid outputs in native 4K, and the difference here is not just size, it is actual detail enhancement. You can see it clearly on the label. The text is sharper on the output than it was on the original shot. The texture of the bottle reads more accurately, and the overall image holds up at any size you need to publish it. That matters enormously when you are selling on marketplaces that have strict resolution requirements. Now, suppose you run a clothing business, selling dresses, shoes, or any apparel, but you do not have the budget to hire models for every product in your catalog. This is one of the most common pain points for fashion sellers on Amazon and Shopify, and Claid has a direct answer for it. Drop your product image here, in this case a women's dress. Follow the same background removal steps as before. Same process, same precision. Now here is where it gets interesting for apparel specifically. Click on AI Photoshoot, set your aspect ratio to 9:16, which is perfect for vertical marketplace and social content, and enter your custom prompt. I will type female model standing in a living room looking directly into camera, natural indoor light, lifestyle fashion editorial, and hit Apply. In a few seconds, you get a realistic virtual model wearing the exact dress you uploaded. Same design, same print, same texture, just placed on a model in a real feeling environment. No casting, no studio booking, no wardrobe team. For a brand with hundreds of clothing SKUs, this one feature alone fundamentally changes what their content operation costs. And then the final step, image to video. This is the one that opens up an entirely different content tier for brands. Take that model image we just generated and bring it to life. For full control over the output, I will enter a custom prompt. The female model walks forward, looking into the camera, holds her waist, and then turns 360 degrees. Hit generate, and within moments, you have a short motion clip ready for meta ads, TikTok, Reels, or wherever your audience lives. What I just walked through took under 3 minutes in the interface. Via API, a business runs that exact same pipeline across their entire catalog overnight, unattended, at whatever volume they need, without a single person touching an individual file. If you're running an e-commerce store, managing a brand's content operation, or building tools for sellers, Claid AI is worth a serious look. You can get started for free. The link is in the description. If you're at the scale where you need custom volume, dedicated API support, or enterprise onboarding, they have that too. Worth reaching out to their team directly. Most brands are now using the same workflow I showed you. It's the kind of infrastructure that separates brands that look like they have a full creative team from brands that are actually just one person and a smart API. Like this video if the workflow saved you the headache. Subscribe to the channel and turn on the bell icon. I'll see you in the next one.